So hello guys. So here's the next question for the problem of the day, Leetcode. Okay, that is number of substrings containing all three characters. Okay, so what the basically question is saying that we will given a string as containing only character of A, B, and C, only these three character. Okay, and we have to return the number of substrings containing at least one occurrence of all these character A, B, and C. Okay, we have to basically return number of substring in which all three basically these letters are there. Okay, matlab basically at least one should be there. Okay, more than one can be basically possible. Okay, so that's the basically question. Okay, let's just understand this question little bit more with example. So I have taken this example, that is ABC. Okay, so if you see the first substring that containing ABC, A comma B comma C, all the three characters are this. Okay, so one substring can be this possible. Okay, and if you see, if we one more, this is BCA. Okay, and ABC, these three are clearly clearly shown. Okay, so if you see one more, this is also okay, the CAB. Okay, 4. And if you see, if ABC is there, okay, if one basically correct valid substring, okay, we got, then we can simply say it doesn't matter how many other values basically or other characters are there. Okay, it will be a substring. Okay, so if ABC is there, ABCA is also a substring, ABCAB is also a substring, ABCABC, total this also substring. Okay, so one thing from here we are getting that if we get one substring, then we can simply subtract this position from last position to get all the other substring. That is, if we get on the list, basically you got the question how basically, if we see that how basically its answer is 10. First we will see how the answer is 10, then we will go on the approach. Okay, so if you see ABC, okay, and ABCA, this is also substring, and ABCAB a substring, ABC. Okay, so it's all a substring. Okay, so if you see total number of 4 substring, that is this and this and this and this. Okay, total 4 substring are there here, and from here when we will start from here, then this is a 5th substring, then this 6th, and this 7th. Okay, then we start from here. Okay, then this, okay, 8, and then this 9. Okay, and one more, that is last, this ABC 10. Okay, so all the 10 are, you can see. Okay, so if we see how basically we are going to solve, let's just make it big and take 2 pointers. That is, we are going to basically, for these type of question, we are always do sliding window approach. Okay, so we are going to take left and right 2 pointers. Okay, right will create a window till all the characters, that is A, B, C, are not there. Okay, so it will simply move till here when all the 3 characters, that is these will be present in the window. So left and right would be here, so it will create a window with 3 character. And if we can see that after this how many can be created, if you see that one is this. Okay, one is this substring, and if you will then move this right, this, so second is this. Okay, and if you will then move this right, then third is this. Okay, and this and if you move this here, then fourth is this. Okay, so when the right is on here, okay, so the right is on here, we don't have to move this and this till, okay, last. Okay, we can simply subtract this, that is length of this string minus right position. That is, if we see, that is length is 6. Okay, and minus, that is 2. That will simply give 4 total number of substring. Okay, you can see we have also seen that when we have moved right till right here and left is here starting, then total number of 4 substring were formed. So if you, whenever we complete a valid basically all 3 characters in a substring, we will simply subtract the last bit, is basically length minus right position, to get from that all the valid string. Okay, then when we will get this, then we will move what, this left. Okay, this left will move, then we will move right, then again a valid substring will be there. Okay, and then we will, what we will do, we will simply then we will simply calculate this and this. Okay, so simply what we'll do, we will subtract the length minus right, and we will get all this substring from this. Okay, so all these substring. Okay, and then we will, what we'll do, we will again move this right here and left here. Okay, and then we will get all the substring with from this, that is from this and this. Okay, and then we will move right here and left here. Okay, and then we will get all the substring with this. Okay, so total number of substring we will get is 10. You can see basically. Okay, so you got it, how basically we are going to do. Okay, so how basically we are going to check the frequency of this element, that we have got all the element. We can take a array. Okay, we can simply, if I take a array of size 3, okay, we can take a array of size 3 in which we don't need to basically use characters. Okay, we can simply signify this, that is 0 as 1, 0 index 1 and 2. Okay, we can simply store initially at 0, initially 0 here. Okay, and whenever we get, we will simply update the frequency. Okay, every time whenever we just like if left is on here and right is on here, like right is first will be here, we will simply move right, and we will right is a, we will simply minus the ASCII value of a to this a, and we will get 0, and then we will update this frequency to 1, and hence right will move forward, and we will simply subtract the value, and then we will get this 1. So this 1 index will be updated. Then we will move this right again, and this time C index would be updated. So this, whenever these all would be greater than 0, we will simply subtract the length minus right, and we will get all the substrings with this combination, basically this valid combination. Okay, that is this and this and this and this. Okay, all the values. So you got the approach. We will see code. Okay, in which I will write the code. Okay, so let's see just code. Okay, I will provide you the code. Okay, you can see here that I have opened the Leetcode. So here's the length, that is basically length of the string, and here the left, right pointers. Okay, and total value, that is will simply return the answer. I have taken this frequency, that will simply size of 3 and contain all the number as 0. Okay, all the basically indexes are 0, and then we will simply loop it till right is less than length. Okay, then we will, every time we will get a character, we will simply update the frequency. Okay, that is new character, ASCII value of character minus this alphabet, and we will get the increment the value. Okay, we will check while has all character, that is the function I have made here. That will basically return true or false whenever the frequency of all the elements, that is 0, 1 and 2 is greater than 0. Okay, so simply it will return if the all the elements are present, and then simply we will simply add the length minus right, so that total number of substring that can be made with that window. Okay, so then we will simply move the left position. Okay, because we don't have to need that window again and again. Okay, we will move so that we can create next window. Then we will move this start is equal to s left, then we will simply subtract the frequency also, and we will move left, and then after this every time we will move right. Okay, so we will at last return total. You can basically submit it. So yeah, you can see. Okay, so basically you can see also this time complexity, that is big of. Okay, so that's the code. Okay, so yeah.